The world of content creation is about to be hit by a landslide. For the last 2 years, if you were a vlogger in the US, your choices were limited. You either bought a Sony ZV-E10 and dealt with that rolling shutter, or you bought the original Nikon Z30 and felt just a little bit left behind in the megapixel war. But as we stand here in 2026, the silence from Nikon's headquarters has finally been broken. The leaks are flooding in, and they point to one thing. The Nikon Z30 Mark II is no longer a budget alternative. It is a statement of war. We are talking about a 26-megapixel sensor that shouldn't exist at this price point, a processor pulled straight from the flagship Z9, and a video feature set that makes $2,000 cinema cameras look nervous. If you are a YouTuber, a TikToker, or a hybrid shooter looking for the ultimate all-in-one tool for under $1,000, you need to stop everything. Because the Z30 II isn't just an upgrade. It's a total reimagining of the creator camera. Today, we are going deep. We are uncovering the secret specs, the red influence on Nikon's new video pipeline, and the exact release date that will change your gear bag forever. Do not skip a single second, because the feature we reveal halfway through this video is going to be the reason you finally sell your Sony. To understand the Z30 II, you have to understand the pressure Nikon is under. In the United States, Sony has dominated the vlogger segment for nearly 5 years. Nikon was seen as the old guard, the photography brand, but then came the Z9 and the Z8, and suddenly Nikon was the king of video. But there was a gap. They had the $5,000 beast and the $3,500 powerhouse. But what about the person starting a channel in their bedroom? The original Z30 was a great start, but it lacked the pizzazz of the competition. In 2026, Nikon is done playing nice. They've realized that to win the next generation of creators, they have to give away pro features at entry-level prices. The Z30 II is that Trojan horse. It's the camera designed to bring everyone into the Z-mount ecosystem. Let's talk about the heart of the camera. The rumors are almost unanimous. Nikon is moving away from the aging 20.9 megapixel sensor. The Z30 II is expected to feature a brand new 26.1 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor. Now, for the tech nerds out there, this is likely a non-stacked version of the sensor found in higher-end bodies, but with a massive twist. Nikon has optimized the readout speed to a level we've never seen in a sub-$1,000 camera. In the US market, we hate the jello effect or rolling shutter. If you're vlogging while walking, you don't want the buildings in the background to look like they're made of rubber. The Z30 II is targeting a readout speed that nearly eliminates rolling shutter in 4K/30p. This makes it instantly superior to almost every entry-level Sony on the market. But a sensor is only as good as the brain behind it. The Z30 II is reportedly skipping a generation and going straight to the EXPEED processor. This is the same engine that drives the $5,500 Nikon Z9. Why does this matter for a vlogger? 2 words: subject detection. The original Z30 was good at finding faces, but the Z30 II is going to be sticky. It uses deep learning algorithms to track humans, animals, birds, and even vehicles with terrifying accuracy. If you're a solo creator in the US, you know the pain of filming a 10-minute talking head only to realize the camera focused on the background.